is that you will notice from the presentations and the charges read that one of our witnesses is a young lady who will be appearing before Senate to testify on instances of sexual exploitation, molestation, to the extent of being forced into anal sex by the governor. To protect the integrity of the witness, Mr. Speaker, sir, we have made an application to have this witness protected so that she is not exposed to the world. We have written a letter to the Speaker where we have disclosed her true identity, even attached a copy of her ID. We have no problem with the witness being confronted by the governor. So we are requesting the Honorable House to allow that witness to testify in an environment where the world is not watching or where the world is not able to identify who she is. To that extent, we can allow counsel and the governor to meet the witness prior to the testing so that, to providing her testimony so that they are able to know who the witness is. That application, Mr. Speaker, sir, is made pursuant to Rule 28 of third schedule. The second application, Mr. Speaker, sir, is that on Saturday at around 6:45, we were served with a response from the governor, and we noted that they have raised two preliminary issues. One on whether this motion met the threshold, that is, being supported by 2/3 of the composition of the County Assembly of Kericho, and secondly, of a purported order that barred the proceedings from taking place. We have taken the liberty to prepare an affidavit on just those two issues. We have filed that application. We have served the same to my learned friend, Mr. Katwa, and we have also taken time to prepare enough copies for all the senators. We humbly seek that that affidavit, dated 13th of October 2024, be deemed as properly on record. That is all, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and honorable senators. We would first of all want to take exception at the statement made by my colleague for the